Hi everyone, this is Safo and welcome back. In this episode, we are not going to write MATLAB code or build a new simulation. Instead, we take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Over the last 9 episodes, we built the foundation required to understand autonomous underwater vehicles. Today, I want to summarize that journey and show you where we're heading next. Let's briefly look at what we accomplished. We started from the very basics: what an AUV is, why it is used, what components it contains. Then we explored sensors, coordinate system, vehicle orientation, underwater forces, and finally MATLAB-based simulation. By this point, you already understand concepts that appear in real marine robotics projects. Notice that our journey was not only theoretical. We translated engineering concepts into mathematical models. Then we converted those models into MATLAB code. And finally, we visualized and analyzed the behavior through simulations. This workflow is exactly how many engineering projects begin. Although we have built a strong foundation, we are still missing several important pieces. So far, our examples have been intentionally simple. Real AUVs operate in 6 degrees of freedom. They are affected by hydrodynamic forces, thruster, disturbances, and control systems. Those are the topics we will begin exploring next. The next playlist will be much more engineering focused. Instead, by discussing concepts, we will models. Instead of simple example, we will create realistic simulation. And most importantly, everything will be implemented directly in MATLAB code. Throughout the next series, we'll continue focusing on MATLAB code. I want every equation, every assumption, and every model to be visible and understandable. When you understand the code, you understand the system. If you followed this series from the beginning, have the background needed to start studying AUV dynamics and control in a much deeper way. The fundamentals are now behind us. The next step is building complete engineering model. Thank you for watching this series. I hope it helped you understand the world of autonomous underwater vehicle a little better. And in the next playlist, we'll start turning those fundamentals into real engineering simulations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next series.